Snem Seleku's interview had a lot of jaws dropped, especially when she talked about her relationship with two of her father's wives, Mangwabe and Makumalo. You guys, Sneh has always been very vocal about her non-existent relationship with the two of them. Now, Usne retold one incident where she went to Mangwabe's house and ate a roll in her house, you guys, and Mangwabe became very sour. And Snare says the environment and the whole mood changed, you guys. Now, people defended Usne and said the way she retold the story, it definitely happened, you guys, while other people said that Mangwabe looks very much capable of doing something like that, you guys. Let me just quickly insert this little clip, but before I do that, do make sure what you think about this whole situation. And of course, don't forget to subscribe if you haven't yet done so. I will definitely and surely be seeing you on my next video. Bye.
Regards to your other stepmothers, like how would you describe your relationship with them?
Mina ngiyengilale lapha endlini nginganayo into engizoyidla ngingazi ukuthi ngizodlani. So lethule hayi uma ngwabe noMakhumalo angifuni uqamba manga shema angifuni ukuba praise phambi kwabantu no ke ngiba praise angikuboni lutho
khona lana xabana khona mhlambe perhaps
mangwabe ngifikile kwakhe khona uanti oyigada kwakhe ke so ngangifika athi hayi enza itini nelontoza sineke ngenza itini and then ngadla i-roll ngoba isithanda isinkwa ngadla i-roll ha kwabe indaba engaka
please don't lie.